EU.WATER is a project financed by the European Union in the frame of Southeast Europe Transnational Cooperation Programme, and it regards the management of water in agriculture. To date, there are still some imbalances in Europe regarding the achievement of good quality standards in water in the agricultural field, and it is even more evident in the Southeast Europe space, where the main environmental challenges are connected to water pollution, water scarcity and high index of water waste. For this reason, the project will offer solutions for a better management of water resources in line with the EU Water Framework Directive and Nitrate Directive, with the final aim of protecting the environment and the rural communities. EU.WATER consults 12 partners belonging to 8 countries in the Southeast Europe space: Italy, Hungary, Greece, Romania, Croatia, Serbia, Moldova and Ukraine. In all these countries, agriculture represents one of the most important components for the local economies, and intensive agricultural practices are very diffused. This has a twofold impact on water. On the first hand, high water consumption by the rural sector, also because of the presence of old irrigation systems, and on the other hand, strong nitrate fertilization that can contaminate groundwater. The main project result is the elaboration of a transnational strategy for water management in agriculture, in accordance to the EU legal framework and based on the direct involvement of local decision makers and farmers of the concerned 8 rural areas. For the farmers, the target is to provide them with tools, with a decision support system to address the fertilization, the irrigation, and to support a competitive agriculture by the maintenance of high environmental standards. For the public authorities, the target is to improve the planning and managing strategies for integrated water management, as well as the elaboration of financial and normative packages to boost and to convince the farmers to adopt sustainable use of water resources. The achievement of this result is assured by a very skilled partnership which is composed by ministries, regions, provinces, universities and research centers. In each territory, the partner will carry on a database with the update of GIS layers that can be used by farmers and by technicians to address the agricultural practices. But the core of the project is the development of some pilot actions. A predictive model to estimate the nitrate rest in the ground will be designed together with the new technologies and techniques to reduce the nitrate dispersion. All these activities are supported by a sharp dissemination of the results, which are addressed to the rural stakeholders, policymakers and farmers. This is EU.WATER, a very ambitious project, but above all, a challenge for all of us, a challenge that we want to win in the real spirit of cooperation.